wage rate be X. We'll use the simultaneous equation in this particular problem. First, before that, let's calculate the wages of A and B. A and B. Yes, A and B who are producing the same product. So based on the information which is given to us, we'll use the Halsey plan and Rowan plan for both of them, and we'll calculate how much is the total wages. So for total wages, what all I need, I will write it down. Let the wage rate, I have taken it as X. So what is the wages which is paid to A and B? So worker A. Worker A, how he is paid. And worker B also we need to calculate. So worker A is plan. What is plan? Plan is, for A it is Rowan plan. Rowan plan. Rowan plan is for A. So let's calculate the wages for A. What all I need? Hours worked. Hours worked. And hours, standard hours. Standard hours. Time saved. All this information I need for calculation of wages. All the three I would need. So first, hours worked for A, it is 30 hours he has worked. So this is 30 hours. Standard hours is 50. Time saved is 20. Okay, there are two parts for every wage under the Halsey and Rowan. Under Rowan plan also, we will pay the first is the basic wage. So I will calculate basic wage and then also the incentive. So how much is the basic wage? Basic wage is equal to number of hours he has worked. How many hours? 30 hours. 30 hours into what is the rate I have calculated? X. So this is equal to 30x. 30x is the wages, basic wages which is paid to Mr. A. Okay. Now what is the bonus? Bonus part. So calculation of bonus. How is bonus paid? Bonus is paid based on the equation, that is time hours work divided by standard hours into time saved. So it is hours worked 30 by 50 into time saved is 20 into rate, time rate. So if I calculate this, it is 1, 5 1s are 5 6 are 6 2s are 12, 12x. Total is 42x. This is what is the total wages paid to A. Let's now calculate and for B now. Okay, B. So worker B. Worker B is Halsey plan. Halsey plan alli nanu matte ade beku. Time hours work. So hours work and I need standard hours, then time saved. Hours worked is 40 hours, time standard is 50, time saved is only 10. Now I will calculate basic wages. Basic wages is equal to number of hours worked into rate. So number of hours worked is 40 hours. 40 into rate is X, which is nothing but 40x. What about the bonus? Bonus under Halsey plan is equal to 50 time saved divided by into half of, that is 50% of time saved into time rate. So 50% 50 by 100 into time saved is 10 into x, which is nothing but 1 5, it is 5x. So total is 45x. So how much is the wages for A? For A, the wage is 42x, and for B, the wage is 45x. So I know now how much is my wages. Let's prepare a cost sheet. Before cost sheet, we'll calculate the prime cost for factory cost for both of them, because factory cost is given to us. So we'll use the cost sheet for A and B so that we will get the two equations. Okay. So cost sheet. So write down cost sheet. This will be particulars. I will call for A and for B, two different people. And first will be my material. Material ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ both will have same material. So material, let's call it as material as Y. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. So I will call it as Y. Y is my material. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ. Labor next. Labor is equal to, how much is the labor? You have already calculated. This is 42x and this is 45x. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This will give me my prime cost. Prime cost is total of both of them. This is 42x plus y and this is 45x plus y is my prime cost. This is what is my prime cost. Next is, I need to find out how much is the production overhead. Add production overhead. Add production overhead. They have given production overhead. Avare kottidare. What have they given? The production factory overhead rate is 5 per person hours actually worked. So how many hours A has worked? It is 5 into A has worked 30 hours. This is 5 into 40 hours for B. So this comes to 150 and this is equal to 200. 5 into 30 is 150. Next is 200. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ how much it comes to ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How much is the factory cost given? Factory cost is given. They themselves have given you the information. How much is the factory cost for A? A is 3,490. 3,490 for A and for B it is 3,600. So ಎರಡು equation ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ. Now I have two equations to solve my simultaneous equation. So first equation I have is 42x plus y plus 150 is equal to 3,490. So I will calculate the simplify this particular equation. So my equation will be 42x plus y is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ 150 ಕಳಿಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. So 3,340. This is the first equation. This is equation 1. The second equation I have is 45x plus y plus 200 is equal to 3,600. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 45x plus y is equal to 3,400 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 200 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So I will get 45x plus y is equal to, this is second equation. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು you work out. ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So I will write below this only the another equation 42x. ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ 42x plus y equal to 3300. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕಳಿತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. I will get 3x is equal to how much it is 60. So x is equal to 60 divided by 3, which is nothing but 20. So x ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ? X is equal to 20 rupees per hour is the rate. 20 rupees is the rate. So now I know how the rate of wages is paid. So rate per hour is 20 rupees, which is paid to A and B. So I will calculate here only. In ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು wage rate ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get the material price. Okay. So I will use in one equation. So 42 into 20 rupees plus y is equal to 3340. So 42 into it is 840 plus y is equal to 3340. So y is equal to 3340 minus 840. This will give me 2500. So y is equal to 2500, which is nothing but my material cost. My material cost. How much is the material? It is 2500. So now I will redraw the cost sheet again. I will redraw the cost sheet again for you, and let's see how it looks like for A and B. Ille barkonbidteni. Can you see it? Yes. So first is material is 2500, and here also it is 2500. Labor is 42 into 20. So 840. 45 into 20. This is nothing but 900. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ I will get my prime cost, which is 3340, and this is 3400. Next is my production overhead 150 plus 200. ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ I will get 3490, 3600. This is how you need to calculate the rate per hour. Calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you need to find out how much is the material cost. This is a very unique problem. I have already explained. This was asked twice with a gap of 10 years. And this particular concept can be used for any kind of problem. So ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ unknown information ಇದ್ದಾಗ, where only few information is given and they are asking you to calculate, you need to use it. ಈ ತರ let some unknown rate has to be taken as a x, and then you need to calculate in this fashion to get two equations and solve the problem using the simultaneous equation method. So this is problem which talks about Halsey and Rowan as well as some mathematical equations included in it. Let's solve one more problem with the BDOC system. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. BDOC ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಸ್. ಬೀಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ 1 ಬಿ ಅಂತಾರಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗಲೂ. 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ 1 ಬಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, 1 ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 60 bees irutte. You should always remember this. Don't forget, 1 minute is equal to 1 bee. We'll solve this one problem from the material I have, which is there with you. Okay. That is problem number 30. Points scheme BDOC system. We will solve that particular problem. I will use only this part of the board. Keep the other part just in case it has not. Anyway, you can see the recorded videos as well, right? So not an issue. I can erase the board as well. recorded part there and there. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬರೀತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೇ ಐ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ religiously you are writing what is written on the board as well. So that's what I expect. But nowadays children are can expect very less from children. I hope people are writing. Okay, let's solve this problem. Product X. Product X takes 24 seconds per unit and requires a relaxation allowance of 100%. So every time you are actually manufacturing a product X, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 24 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮು? 100% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 24 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ 24 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ 24 + 24 48 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Product Y takes 30 seconds and it requires relaxation allowance of only 50%. So 30 seconds to 50% is only 15 seconds. So one product manufacture ಮಾಡೋಕೆ Y manufacture ಮಾಡೋಕೆ 45 seconds ಸಾಕು. But whereas X will take 48 seconds. During the 8-hour day, a worker has produced 450 units of product X and 400 units of product Y. If wage rate is 20 rupees per hour, calculate the total earnings under BDOC system premium plan, assuming the bonus of 75% of point same. Okay. Let's now calculate. First, time ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Only then you will get to know standard time go we can reduce the number of hours which he has taken, so that you can get the time saved. Time saved is also important in this case for BDOC system. So first and foremost, how much time is required for X, how much time is required for Y, ಎರಡು calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So let's prepare the table showing the X and Y, how much time it is required. So first and foremost, time for product X. Time for product X. How much time it takes? 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Okay. Plus 100% I will need for relaxation. So I will take 24 seconds plus 24 seconds. So total is equal to 48 seconds. How much time I need for X? I need 48 seconds for X. Hence, for time, how much you will allow for, what is the total number of units of X is produced? For time for product X is 48 seconds. Now, how much number of units which is manufactured by that particular person in a day? The worker has produced X, how many units? 450 units. So time for 450 units is equal to 450 into 48 seconds. So 450 into 48 seconds is equal to, let me calculate, 450 into 48 seconds. That gives 21,600 seconds. Idanna divided by, let's do 60 seconds. 60 seconds madkondre what I will get is minutes. So this divided by 60 seconds will give me 360 minutes. But ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ, because minutes I cannot use. So let's take this with 60 minutes. ಮತ್ತೆ divide ಮಾಡೋಣ. So this will give me total 6 hours. So I have calculated now for product X 24 seconds ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ 24 seconds ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ 48 seconds. So now number of units which is manufactured is 450. 450 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 450 into 48 seconds. If you do 21,600 seconds, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Divided by 60 seconds will give me 360 minutes. 360 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal to 6 hours. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವನು? 6 ತಾಸು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Let's see for second point I need to calculate is for time for product Y. So what I need is 32 seconds plus 50% and then 15 seconds will be my relaxation time. So total will be 45 seconds. So how many units are manufactured for Y? If you see 400 units is manufactured by the employee for product Y. So 400 time for 400 units into 45 seconds. 45 seconds multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? If I multiply 400 into 45 seconds, I get 18,000. This will be 18,000 seconds. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು divided by 60 seconds ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this will give me divided by 60 will give me 300 minutes. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ divided by 60 minutes will give me 5 hours. So how many hours it happened? 6 hours plus 5 hours. Total how much it is? 11 hours. So total time allowed to the worker. Time allowed for the worker is equal to total 11 hours. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 11 hours ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಗ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? How much time he has taken? He has during an 8 hour, only 8 hours he has taken. So write down time taken by him is only 8 hours. So time taken by worker is equal to 8 hours. So how much is the time saved? Time saved by worker is equal to 3 hours. Just calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. This is the basic information which I require for BDOX plan. Now let's find out how many points means 3 hours. Okay, I will use only small portion. Okay, now what is the number of hours he has saved? 3 hours he has saved. 3 hours means how many points you should calculate. So I have already told you 1 BDOX point means 1 minute. So 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes, which is equal to 180. So 1 minute is equal to 1 B. Therefore 180 minutes is equal to 180 B's. Now we know 180 points have been saved. So now rate is, how much is, what is the rate they have already given? They have already given 20 rupees is the per hour rate is already given. 20 rupees is the per hour. So let's now calculate. Now we have already found out how many B's are there. Let's now calculate the earnings under BDOX system. So earnings, calculation of earnings. Earnings under BDOX system. How do you calculate under BDOX system? First and foremost is the earnings is equal to basic plus bonus. So write down this is equal to basic plus bonus. What is basic? Basic is for number of hours you have worked multiplied by rate per hour. So So basic is equal to 8 hours he has worked into 20 rupees plus bonus is equal to how much ever time saved he has done. So that is multiplied with the 75%. So 75%, 75 by 100 into 180 Bs into what is the rate? Rate is 20 rupees is paid for 60 minutes. 20 rupees is paid for 60 minutes. So this is 8 into 20 is equal to 8 to the 16, 160 rupees plus 75% of 180. So let's find out how much is 180 into 75% is 135. So 135 is the 135 multiplied by 20 divided by 60. So find out how much it is. 135 multiplied by 20 divided by 60. That will give me 45 rupees. So how much is the bonus I have? Bonus is equal to 45 rupees. So 160 plus 45, which is nothing but 205. So earnings under BDOC system is 205 rupees. How did we calculate? First we calculated the number of hours. Number of hours is converted into Bs. For every 1 minute, I have to get paid 75% of it. So for every 180 minutes I have saved, 180 into 75% is 135 minutes I should get paid. I cannot multiply minutes with the 20 rupees. 20 rupees is for per hour. So 20 rupees is paid for 60 minutes. So 135 is ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So total will be 205. This is how you need to calculate the earnings under the BDOC system. So next what we have is group wages. I need to explain you what is the group wages, group bonus scheme and other parts of the wages. I would not, I want you to read through the Priestman's bonus, production bonus. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Priestman's bonus, which is not, they have not asked in any of the examination, but you should know it. And I want you to also learn Callan's plan, Nunn-Bush plan, Rucker plan. 4 plan na ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Now I will solve some more problem with the incentives in the next class, and we'll also look into how to arrive at what is idle time, how idle time is treated in costing book, how do you actually come across idle time hege, how there is a idle time already there, some are inbuilt, idle time idde irutte. Factory ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ he will punch in. ಆದ್ರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅವನು ಶಾಪ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. there is no production happening. So there are some idle time which is uncontrollable. Those are normal idle time ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. There are some idle time which will be abnormal idle time, wherein for some reason breakdown ಆಯ್ತು, machinery, power ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಗಳ ಆಡಿದ್ರು, strike ಆಯ್ತು, lockout ಆಯ್ತು, for various reasons also you may not actually manufacture. In such case it is called abnormal idle time. Overtime ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ನಾವು ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So in the next class I will finish, first I will cover up all the theory part and then we'll solve some problem with the group incentive bonus plans as well as the calculation of idle time, overtime, payment of overtime, and how to treat the idle time in the costing book. Okay. Thank you so much. Tomorrow and probably on Saturday also I will not have any class. I will take the next class on Sunday. Sunday will be the next class. Thank you so much.